Filtration is another aspect of the cleaning process that's really important. Tandem Air has something that nobody else has, and that is a combination of a HEPA filter and a granulated charcoal filter working at the same time. So the granulated charcoal is going to deal with your chemicals, gases, and odors that might pass through a HEPA filter, and the HEPA filter is going to get your particles as small as 0.3 microns in size at 99.97% efficiency. In addition, the bag on this machine has 5 layers. 2 of those layers are charcoal infused to also deal with odors. So take note here and see where it's at. The pre-motor filter, which is the odor filter, granulated charcoal, is inside the bag chamber where it can absorb and take care of the things that would be causing odors. And then this is your final filter, which is your exhaust filter, HEPA filter, where the air that would then pass back out through these vent holes and into the room. Cleaning doesn't stop at the floor level. Filtration is the final stage in the cleaning process. If it's important to you, find a Riccar retailer near you.